If you want to set up icons for notifications on the Glyph matrix on a Nothing Phone 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we're gonna proceed to Glyph Interface, and then in here if you scroll down you can go to Essential Notifications. In here we can create rules based on which a specific icon is going to be displayed on the Glyph matrix. Of course we have a couple of example pre-made notifications which we can also customize. If you tap on any of these rules then you can see how it is set up. You can make some adjustments if you want to, and you can also tap on the Glyph matrix display over here in order to choose a different icon. The list is quite long, but also you can go to custom in order to use an image based on which you will create your custom one. So let's say I'm gonna use this cat icon over here, and let's tap on this check in the upper right corner, and as you can see now I'm gonna use this cat icon whenever I have missed calls. But besides that, we can of course press create new rule, or the new rule button, and then over here we should be able to choose apps that should be included in that rule. So let's say if I want to use a specific icon when I receive a new notification from Gmail, by the way, you can also tap on this pen icon in order to choose very specific notifications from that app. So for example, in the case of Gmail, you can set up different icons for different mails from different Gmail accounts that you have, of course. But I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna select Gmail in general, and you can also include keywords, for example, and then we can tap on the display in order to once again choose whichever icon we want to use. So let's say I'm just gonna use this smiley face over here. And there we go. Now, once I receive a new notification from Gmail, this smiley face is going to be displayed on the Glyph matrix. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.